Hey guys, it's time to talk about the 2018 budget lineup of Galaxy, the Samsung Galaxy M. As you all know, Samsung is doing great job in the flagship department, but in the mid-range lineup, they're not just offering enough compared to Honor or Xiaomi or Huawei, and they're also overpricing their phones, but seems like Samsung is about to change that with its upcoming Galaxy M lineup. So as you know, 2018 was a year of notches. After Apple introduced their iPhone 10, you've seen a lot of notch phones from almost every manufacturer, but here's only one company, which is Samsung, who stick to their infinity design until notch got improved. So the Samsung Galaxy M series is expected to come with a water-drop notch, or I would say the best version of notch. So here are a total of 3 devices in the Galaxy M lineup, including Galaxy M10, low-end device, Galaxy M20 slightly higher model, and last Galaxy M30, the highest variant of this lineup, which are coming next week or later this month. So starting off with the design, so all 3 of them will have Samsung's Infinity U display, and bezels are also very slim here on all 3 of them. And as for the M30, you'll be getting a 6.38 inches of Full HD panel with Samsung's own Exynos 7885 CPU, 4 gigs of RAM with 64 and 128GB of internal storage. And on the back, it will have a triple rear camera setup with 13 plus 5 plus 5 megapixel, and on the front it will have a 16 megapixel selfie camera. And the interesting part here is that it will have a 5000 mAh battery. Yes, even more higher than the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So I just hope that it will have a USB-C port for the fast charging support. So that's all on the Galaxy M30. Now as for the Galaxy M20, it will have a 6.13 inch of Full HD Infinity U panel with same Exynos 7885 processor, which rises between Snapdragon 636 and 660. And the difference is here it will have a 3 gigs of RAM with 32 and 64GB of internal storage, and also it will have a dual rear cameras instead of triple, which are on the M30. And also here is the same 5000 mAh battery, same as the M30. So the M20 also a great package, not a huge downgrade compared to M30. You still get same processor, same battery, same display panel in slightly smaller size. And as for the fully budget Samsung Galaxy M10, it will have a 6.02 inch screen with that same Infinity U panel and same resolution of Full HD and same resolution of Full HD with old Exynos 7870 processor, 3 gigs of RAM, 16 and 32GB of internal storage, and single 13 megapixel rear-facing camera. So overall a very budget package, and you'll get a 3400 mAh battery. So this is all on the design and internals. Now as for the price, according to IANS report, the Galaxy M10 pricing will reportedly start at 9,500 Indian rupees in India, which roughly converts into $134, while the Galaxy M20 will be priced around 15,000 Indian rupees, $215. So let me know, are you guys excited for the upcoming Galaxy M series, with that price and that internals? And please make sure to subscribe for all the upcoming leaks about Samsung. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.